Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain to you about the histology of thyroid gland. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. So let's begin. The thyroid gland is present in neck region in front of the larynx and trachea. Larynx is commonly known as voice box and trachea is commonly known as windpipe. So the gland is made up of two lobes connected by a narrow isthmus in front of the trachea. The two lobes are right lobe, left lobe and connected by this isthmus region. The whole thyroid gland is in front of larynx as well as trachea. The thyroid is an endocrine gland, means the hormone which is produced is directly released in blood and through blood hormone reaches the various tissue. Thyroid gland produces a hormone called as thyroxine. The thyroid is covered by a capsule of connective tissue that enter into the gland and divide it into several lobules. The lobe containing a number of follicles. The follicles lies in a stroma of connective tissue which is richly vascularized, means it will be having a lot of blood vessels. The follicles are the functional unit of thyroid. The follicles are lined by cubicle cells. The lumen of follicle is filled with colloid. So these pale violet color cells are the cuboidal follicular cells. This is the lumen region which is filled with colloid. And here you can see the clear bifurcation between the right lobe, left lobe and isthmus. Next, there are totally two types of cells are present in the thyroid gland. They are, first one is principal or a chief cell, second one is parafollicular or C cell. The principal or a chief cell produces thyroxine hormone. The cells have a large nucleus towards the base and have secretory granules and colloid droplets in the cytoplasm. The free end that faces the lumen bears microvilli. As you can see here, this is the principal cell. I'm showing a single cell. This is a group of principal cell. It has a large nucleus and the cytoplasm is filled with colloid droplets and secretory granules. And towards the lumen, you can see the small microvilli. Moving to the next one, that is parafollicular or C cells. They are very few in number. They produce calcitonin. The calcitonin is also known as thyrocalcitonin, which controls the blood calcium level and it also controls the hypercalcemia. The cell have a clear cytoplasm and a large nucleus. So these are the parafollicular cells. Here also you can see the parafollicular cells. Next is the activity of a thyroid gland. There are totally two types of activities are there. First one is hypoactivity. In the case of hypoactivity, the follicles are round, small, without regular outline. Cells are low and cuboidal, colloid stain dark. This is a cell in the hyposecretion or in the hypoactivity. where you can see the cell has become small. It don't have a regular outline, and the cuboidal cells are very low or very small. When we stain the cell, it will take a dark color. In the case of hyperactivity, follicles are large, folded, irregular in shape. Cells are tall, columnar with a light staining cytoplasm. So these are the hypersecretion cell or hyperactivated cells that I'm showing here. These have attained irregular shape, and the cells have become tall and columnar in shape, and when we stain the cell, these will take a light stain. Okay, a quick recap. What we have studied till now is about the thyroid gland. Mainly, there are totally two types of cells are present in the thyroid gland, that is principal cell or a chief cell, parafollicular cell or a C cell. The principal cell produces thyroxine, the parafollicular cell produces calcitonin, and two conditions are there: hyposecretion or hyperactivity, hyposecretion, and hypoactivity. Hope you people understood what I have explained till now. Thanks for watching the video.